Welcome to our guide on how to access and view the UPS Store Balance Sheet report. The UPS Store Balance Sheet contains crucial elements that shed light on your business's financial position. Understanding these components is essential for a comprehensive analysis. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. From the top navigation menu, select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. In the subsequent menu, choose Management Reports. On the Management Reports page, locate and click the Balance Sheet option to access the report. To tailor the report to your needs, you can customize the parameters by selecting the specific period you want to analyze. Once you generate the report, take the time to review the detailed results. This will provide valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions for your business. To download your report in Excel or PDF format, click on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Export as Excel or Export as PDF from the drop-down menu to download your report in Excel or PDF format. The report will be generated in Excel or PDF format in the Data Export section of Docket, allowing you to download the report from there. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification. Click the ellipsis menu on the Data Export page and select the Download option. And there you have it. You have now learned how to access and view the UPS Store Balance Report in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.